When Israel was restored to the land in 1948, when that happened, people watched it on a grainy black and white television. Now think, in 70 little short years, 7 little decades, look what's happened. From grainy black and white television, the restoration of Israel, technology has exploded. I mean, we're into quantum computing and genetic editing and CRISPR-Cas9 and instantaneous information communication networks and satellite and cable and 24/7 news cycle and military machinery and equipment and circumnavigating the globe and nuclear-powered submarines and aircraft carriers and space shuttles and space probes out in deep space beyond our galaxy. From a black and white TV 7 decades ago to this, and it's still exploding. So ask me again, do I think we're in the end times? Yes, absolutely we are.